everyone, how's it going? BCRT back again with another Photoshop tutorial. Today we will be creating a NRL stripe wallpaper as shown on the screen here. It's a very simple wallpaper to make. So before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Your support truly does count. So let's get started. You want to have your blank canvas and you want to have the logo of the team that you'd like to make. So we'll just drag that into there and just resize it to your liking. You don't want to make it too big though, because it will cut off on the edges of the wallpaper once you want to put onto your phone. So let's just do that for example. And then once we have our logo, you want to click on the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle for these stripes. It's up to you depending on the size of the rectangle. So for now we'll just go for this size, and we have a black shape as the colour straight off, so no worries, we can change that after. And then to pick the desired colour you would like, you just want to click the eyedropper tool and click on the colour and it pops up there. So you can see. Perfect. Then you want to just move that to wherever you would like it. We'll just place that there for now. And then using the paint bucket tool, you click on that and just simply click OK for that. And there we go. Change the colour. You want to duplicate that from there. So now that we have our shapes there, all you now want to achieve is that desired fade effect. So click the layer mask, and while select on layer mask, you can either do this two ways. You can select the gradient tool and just from one point click down and it gives you that fade effect there. Gradient I guess, or if you want to go a bit fancy, select the brush tool, and depending on what brush you'd like to use, I like to use this kind of brush because it's artistic and it's got different kind of curves. You just select that and you just erase it here, like that. And you want to do this with all of them. That's much better. And there we go. Easy as pie. I know this design's a bit different to what I was shown before, but this is another way to do it, and I personally like this way. So there you have it, and the NRL stripe wallpaper. That's all we have for today now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Peace out.